Guys, this is the Minecraft PE. I will show you the Barbie dream house. Okay, this is I just found on the YouTube. He said spawn notch, but he do not came in here. And this is I build because I do not have any house. The house is something wrong. There might be no what called furniture. That that is the Ken house. That is huge mansion, but this is unfinished. And this is the Barbie dream house. So big. And that is the portal. Don't mind that. And this is the father of the Barbies of all master. This is the all master. Master Zen, master of all master. Look, there was no furniture, and there have window. It's so big. This Barbie dream house is so ugly. Okay. And this is the swimming pool. Look, it's the face of Barbie, of the shape of his head. Oh look, my cat is swimmer. He swim in the Barbie dream pool. Okay, do you want to make end portal? This. Let's go in this. And this is the portal. 1, 2. You have to lagay the portal in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, cat. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's find the monster spawner. Let's lagay that. Okay, that's and oh no, there might be some the black carpet, and just stick in here. This is the carpet. Alright, this is the end portal. Alright, that's and we're gonna back that and back to get. Oh no, there might be wrong. Okay, fine. Oh no, come here, little catty. He following me. Okay, that is the cat. Oh, he afraid to portal. Oh, oh, my cat has a superpower. Look, did you see that? Look, I'm going to the roof. Look. Oh, he has a superpower. Look, I'm going to the B, the symbol of Barbie. Oh, he cannot move in this. Oh, where is he? Look in the room. Oh, he's gone. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe us. Bye.